Hey, so you made it last video. Now we're going to take everything that we've done in video 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're going to put it in this clarity statement that we have for you. And this is going to be a reference point for you moving forward to help you achieve your most ambitious business goals in Nigeria. All right, so go ahead, download the workbook and look at the template. It's going to give you direct instructions on how to fill out that clarity statement based on your previous responses. And once you're done, you have your clarity statement that you can hang on the wall, give to your boss, and just have something as a reference point for you to help you exceed and meet your business goals in Nigeria. Now that you know some of your challenges is very clear, we can definitely help you out with that. We have a webinar that is going to help you with Nigerian business mastery, where we're going to share all the tips that we have that we use to help businesses succeed. So make sure you register below for the webinar, and I'll see you soon. Take care.